Hello student, welcome to my class and today we start trigonometry. So first of all, we have to know that trigonometry is based on right angle triangle. Okay, so this is a right angle triangle A, B, C, and this B angle is 90 degree. Okay, now in right angle triangle, there are three sides: length, base, and hypotenuse. So first of all, we have to know that how we find which one is base, which one is length, and which one is hypotenuse. Okay, so suppose we consider this C angle as theta. Okay, we know that opposite side of 90 degree is always called hypotenuse. So AC is hypotenuse. This is our angle theta, angle C. So opposite side of angle theta, that is length. So AB is length. And the rest of the side, that is BC, is called base. Okay. So if we take angle theta is A angle, then BC length and AB base. Okay. So length and base is based on angle theta, and hypotenuse is always the opposite side of 90 degree. Okay. Okay, fine. So next we have to know that 3, 6, like sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, sec theta, cosec theta, and cot theta. Okay. So sine theta is called length by hypotenuse. Cos theta is called base by hypotenuse. Tan theta is called length by base. Okay. So we get a relation like tan theta is equals to sine theta by cos theta, right? Length by hypotenuse divide base by hypotenuse. So hypotenuse cancel out. So we get length by base. Similarly, we have to know cosec theta. Cosec theta is equals to 1 by sine theta. That means reciprocal of sine theta. So we know sine theta is equals to length by hypotenuse. So cosec theta is always hypotenuse by length. Now sec theta. So sec theta reciprocal of cos theta. That means hypotenuse by base. And cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. So we get base by length. Okay. Now we know there is three formula exist in trigonometry. Three basic formula. Number one, sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equals to 1. Number two, sec squared theta minus tan squared theta is equals to 1. And number three, cosec squared theta minus cot squared theta is equals to 1. If we simplify this formula, we get a relation, right? Like sine squared theta plus cos squared theta equals to 1. From this main formula, we get sine squared theta is equals to 1 minus cos squared theta. Therefore, sine theta is equals to root under 1 minus cos squared theta. Similarly, we get cos theta equals to root under 1 minus sine squared theta, right? From the second formula, we can get sec squared theta equals to 1 plus tan squared theta. So sec theta equals to root under 1 plus tan squared theta. Okay. In that way, we get that. So now we have to understand why sine squared theta plus cos squared theta equals to 1. How we get that, right? So we take triangle, a right angle triangle. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is 90 degree, this is angle theta. So this one is hypotenuse, opposite side of theta, that is length, and rest of the side is base. Okay. So we take the first one, sine squared theta plus cos squared theta. So we know sine means length by hypotenuse. So length is AB and hypotenuse is AC. So AB by AC squared. And cos theta is base by hypotenuse. So BC by AC whole square. Okay. So we get AB square by AC square plus BC square by AC square. If we take an LCM, we get AB square plus BC square by AC square. Okay. Now we have to remember the Pythagorean formula. Okay. So Pythagorean formula say that length square plus base square equals to hypotenuse square. So AB square plus BC square equals to AC square, right? AB square plus BC square equals to AC square. So in the place of AB square plus BC square, so AC square by AC square cancel out. So we get 1. And we prove that formula. In the very similar way, we have to prove rest of two formulas. Okay. So that is the basic introduction of trigonometry, and using this formula, we solve some basic problem. So we discuss about one or two basic problem. Okay. Suppose given that sine theta is equals to 3 by 4, and we have to find the value of tan theta. Okay. How we get that? We know that tan theta is equals to sine theta by cos theta. Sine theta is equals to 3 by 4 is already given. So we find the value of cos theta, right? We know sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. And we get cos theta is equals to root under 1 minus sine square theta. And this is root under 1 minus 3 by 4 whole square. So we get root under 1 minus 9 by 16. So root under 7 by 16. So root under 7 by 4. Okay. There is plus minus sign, but we didn't accept negative sign because theta is belongs to 0 degree to 90 degree. Okay, theta is belongs to 0 degree to 90 degree. And in first quadrant, sine, cos, tan, sec, cosec, cot, all are positive. So we consider only positive value. Okay, now we put the value. So sine theta is equals to 3 by 4. Cos theta is equals to root 7 by 4. So 4 cancel out. We get 3 by root 7. That is the correct answer. Okay, in that way, we find any value using these three formula. So that is our basic introduction class, and from the next class, we solve some numerical problem and then continue this chapter. Thank you.